This ECG is irregular, it's chaotic. All these RR intervals look to be pretty different between them. We're probably just going to have to count and multiply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 times 8 is going to be in the 140 range. The rhythm, so it is chaotic, it is irregularly irregular, but in lead 2 here I see deflections that look kind of like organized atrial activity. But each of these looks a little bit different. This one's going down, this one's less down, this one's up, this one's kind of biphasic. So this is a unique rhythm where we have multiple formed P waves and you have tachycardia. So this is multifocal atrial tach, or MAT. It can look like AFib. It does not increase stroke risk like AFib, as best as we can tell, because it is probably still organized enough in its atrial activity that it squeezes to empty the atria and does not subject that blood to stasis that would then clot. This is associated with lung disease, but does not have to have lung disease in order for this to occur. What else do we see here? All right, so rhythm, multifocal atrial tach, axis, up in 1, up in F, up in 2, so we've got a normal axis there. Intervals, the PR is actually variable, right? So depending on where the impulse is coming from, the duration of time from P to R is going to change. The QRS looks to be narrow. The QT looks to be less than half the R to R. You have to be careful because in this salvo here that's going really fast, they start to look a little close. But over here, it looks nice and short. We do have some non-specific ST wave abnormalities in several different places. Sometimes the T waves are a little out of sorts here in the precordium. Over here in 3, they certainly look flat or slightly inverted. Yeah, that's the summary. That's the main things here. So this is an uncommon rhythm, but one that's worth keeping in the back of your mind. Not everything that is chaotic is atrial fibrillation, and so this is an example of multifocal atrial tach with non-specific ST wave abnormalities.